These are some of the better deals I've found if you're a drone pilot, videographer, or photographer for the Black Friday / Cyber Monday sales. We're gonna start with storage, and by far, these are some of the best deals that I've seen on storage. They're the SanDisk external SSDs, which are great because I use them a lot. This is one of them here. I also use the ones that are linked in the description, and they're fantastic. I edit directly off of them. I store and transfer everything onto them, and I use multiples so that I always have backups. This 2 terabyte version is by far the best deal I've ever seen. I wouldn't get anything less than 2 terabytes because you'd be surprised how fast it fills up. Personally, I use the 4 terabyte versions, which are great, but I understand they're more expensive. So if you can, get the 2 terabyte version. You definitely won't regret it. And while we're on the subject of storage, pretty much every drone uses these little micro SD cards. In fact, every action camera, every drone, I have a ton of these, but these are the ones I highly recommend. These are the SanDisk Extreme Pro 128 gigabyte versions. They're great. The reason I don't go bigger than 128 is because if a drone does go down or something happens where I lose that camera and that SD card, I'm not going to be crying because I've only lost 128 gigabytes worth, not like, 256 or more. And while we're at it too, actually, I use this little card holder here to keep all of my SD cards and also my regular SD cards locked and neatly organized in my case. It has room for 2 large SD cards and then room for 4 micro SD cards. So this is really great, super cheap, but really nice to keep things organized. And of course, this stuff's all linked in the description. And also on storage, these are the Sony Tough cards. They are by far the best SD cards I've ever used, even on the A7S III, the A1, FX6. These will record in most formats that you're gonna need. So if you don't wanna buy the CF Express Type A cards, the newer Sony cards, which are expensive, then I highly recommend these Sony Tough cards. And right now, they've got a bit of a sale going on. It's not great, but these are really good. And while we're at it, there are some fantastic deals for drone cases, especially drone hard cases. This is one I use for the Mini 3, and this is one I use for the Mavic 3. Both of them have a fairly significant % off, but it's really nice carrying my drones in a hard case like this because then I know it's well protected and I won't have an issue with anything that might happen. And continuing on in the drone sphere, the Lume Cube strobe is quite a bit. It's almost half off right now. It's a great strobe. I use it on my Mavic 3 when I'm flying at night. So if you're gonna fly at night, you need to put a strobe on there for safety and to be legal in most places. The Lume Cube strobe is a really great option. Also, my friends at Freewell are having a sale on most all of their ND filters, whether you're using them for a mirrorless camera and a regular lens, or you're using them for a drone. And some of my favorites are the split filters for the Mavic 3. These are fantastic. And I've also been using and testing out the wide and anamorphic lens and a bunch of filters that Freewell sent me for the Mini 3 Pro, video coming soon. But those are also all fantastic. So I've used Freewell filters for years. They've all been great. I use them on my main cameras as the very big variable NDs, the normal variable NDs for regular lenses, and pretty much everything for my drones, pretty much all Freewell. They've been really great and been holding up for a long time. Something I recently did a video on are these Anchorage Prime chargers, which I absolutely love. Now they sent me some, but I also purchased a bunch for myself before they sent me any, and they've all been fantastic. This one, the 735, I've traveled with a bunch over the last year, and it has been great. It's by far my favorite travel charger, along with the ones that have extra outlets and stuff like that. They're all fantastic, and they're all a significant amount off. Some of them are more than half off right now. So if you're gonna pick one of these up, now is an excellent time to do that. And next, on the software side, my friends over at FilmConvert are having an incredible Black Friday sale. I absolutely love both Nitrate and Cinematch. I've been using them both on my videos for about a year now, I think, just about a year. They are spectacular, great for color grading, for building your own LUT profiles, for fixing issues with footage, and for making your footage look more organic. So if you want to pick those up, definitely use the links in the description because they'll give you a little bit extra off. But now is a great time because they are marked down by the most that I've ever seen. And then we come to iFootage, and iFootage has given me a special code for a little bit extra off. Plus they're running a Black Friday sale, a Cyber Monday sale, which gives you, I believe, 10% off site-wide, which is a great deal because they make some excellent tripods, some really good sliders, some good monopods. They make all kinds of great magic arms, or spider crabs is what they call them, and they're fantastic, by far the best. And I'm not the only one who says that. People like Gerald Undone say that too. So that says something. Their stuff is incredibly well made, very well built, and I have absolutely loved them. The latest thing, which I'm not sure if they're on sale, but the lights that they released, the anglerfish lights, have been absolutely fantastic. There's a video coming soon about how to interview or set up interview lighting with those. It's gonna be spectacular. You're not gonna wanna miss it because it's not taking place in a normal place. And of course, there's probably a lot of other stuff. If you watch my community tab, if I find really great deals, I'll throw out a post on the community tab to let you know about them. But right now, these are the best deals that I've found, or some of the best deals that I've found for drone pilots, filmmakers, videographers. I know I'm gonna be picking up a few different things because the deals right now really do save you a lot of money. If you don't need these things, then don't buy them. You don't need to spend money if you don't need to. So if you already have everything you need, then awesome. But if you do need a few of these things, click the link in the description. They're affiliate links. They'll help me out and give me a little commission, but they don't cost you anything extra. And it's a great time to be able to pick some of this stuff up if you've been waiting, because this stuff has never been priced as well as it is right now. But until then, you can watch this video right here, which I think you'll really enjoy. Otherwise, I'll see you again soon in the next video. As always, if you have questions, ask me in the comments below. Join my live stream Wednesday nights at 4 p.m. Alaska time, 8 p.m. Eastern most of the time. Cheers.